Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. I am not going to waste any time by saying where I've been, what I watched through the week. I'm just going to get into the review of this amazing Malayalam film that I have watched last week. The name of the film is called Kishkinda Kandam, and I think it is one of the best Malayalam films of 2024. I did not have much expectations from it, but when I got into the film, I left with a lot of thoughts. First, let's get into the amazing tagline of the film because it is so related to every character of the film. The tagline of the film is called Kishkinda Kandam, A Tale of Three Wise Monkeys, and the movie revolves around three characters, which is played by really good actors. Asif Ali, who plays the husband, Aparna, who plays the wife, and the veteran actor Vijay Raghavan, who plays the father. The story revolves around these three people in Kerala where they are looking for a lost child who belongs to Asif Ali. The father does not know what exactly happened to him, and even if he does, he likes to be blind, deaf about it because he does not want to face the truth and he wants to protect his family. Asif Ali knows what happened to the child, but he does not want to accept the fact that this is what happened and tell his father the truth, and wants him to be in a delusion because he has dementia. And the wife, Aparna, who is Asif Ali's second wife, is very inquisitive in knowing what happened to the child. She has some clues, she knows what kind of happened, but does not know till the very end when Asif Ali tells her everything. That is the story. I know that everyone must have watched the film, so I'm not going to get into the details of the story. I'm more interested in talking about what I felt about the film. But this is the story. If you have watched it, stick through it. If you haven't watched it, go watch the movie. It's available on Disney Plus Hotstar, and then come back and watch this video. The movie starts with a very interesting plot. There is an election going on in the city, and everyone who owns a licensed gun has to give it to the police till the time the elections are over. Where we realize that this family also has a licensed gun because the father in law used to be in the army and now has lost his gun, and so the police goes to his house, and that's where the drama starts. So it's a very interesting plot to start with and then continue the story. When the movie starts, you're like, okay, maybe it's about like a murder or it's about this investigation, but where it goes to, you cannot even understand. I have loved the direction of the film because, with Malayalam films, it's such that when the movie starts, it's like a 3-hour film. The first 1 hour is character build up, story build up, and the next 2 hours is what the film is about. But with this, you were into it like in the first 2 minutes and you were out of it till the movie ended. Like, when you're watching this movie, there is literally nothing else that matters. It is that kind of a film. And it was a very, very interesting plot. Kinda Kandam, I must say, is one of the best Malayalam films of 2024, and I highly recommend it. It is, and the thing is that it has been such a remarkable year for the Malayalam film industry because they have given one film after the other, which is so good, but this film honestly just stands out. Movie is directed by Dinjeet and it is masterfully written by Bahul Ramesh. The movie is a mind-bending experience that keeps you guessing from start to finish. Just when you think that you've grasped the plot, it takes another twist and you're like, oh my god, now what? It's a very clever narrative that plays with your head until the very end. Oh my god, Asif Ali, this has been such a transformative year for you. I have also watched his other film, which I'm going to talk about tomorrow on my channel. And this year, I think, is your year. He has performed extraordinarily and he was so convincing that you knew that he is going through so much shit in his head and he is going to burst out by the end of it, and that's exactly what happens in the movie as well. Erna Balamurali, who plays his wife, is also authentic in her role, elevating every scene she's in. And when you're with actors around that, I think she had a very powerful presence and she killed it too. And of course, there's Vijay Raghavan, and he needs no introduction. I think he was the best performer in the film. He was so versatile. You feel bad for him, you feel angry at him, you love him, you hate him, and that's just what his character is, and I have loved watching him. I feel bad that I did not watch this movie in the theater because it is such a theatrical experience, because honestly, like, the film is shot almost in very limited locations, but there's so much about nature. There are trees, there are toys on the trees, there is so many like evidence in nature, but like, you know, the way they've made it, the airy music they've used, the way they have shown nature, the colors, the editing, the shots are such that you have to watch it on the big screen. And one of my favorite scenes, honestly, was when the father's friend comes to visit him, and he knows that he has dementia, and he makes these little post-it notes of his friends, and he keeps on like flipping the paper to check what is happening in the other person's life, and he realizes that his friend is lying to him. And that scene was so powerful for me because it was so well directed, edited, shot, that in that scene I was like, oh my god, I love it. It is so good. Like, there is so much to talk about this film, but there is so much confusion in my head, and it is exactly what the film is also about. I highly recommend it. It's got great performances, the story is insane. I'm not given any spoilers because I want to discuss it in the comments rather than talking about it in the video, or you know, for people who have not watched it as well. I think it's an amazing film and you should definitely watch it. It's available on Disney Plus Hotstar, and I am sure that you're going to love it.